Unveiling the Meaning, Lift the Veil. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, and our star of the show is the phrase, lift the veil. Join me as we explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. When someone says they want to lift the veil, they're not talking about peeking under a curtain. This phrase metaphorically means to reveal information that was previously hidden or to disclose something secret or unknown. It's about bringing clarity to a situation or understanding something that was once mysterious. The idea of lifting a veil has historical roots in weddings where a bride's face would be covered until the groom lifts the veil. This symbolizes the revealing of something beautiful and unknown. Similarly, the phrase in English has come to represent unveiling the truth or exposing something concealed. Lift the veil can be used in various contexts. It's perfect for situations where someone uncovers facts, reveals a truth, or enlightens others on a topic. For example, the documentary aimed to lift the veil on the challenges faced by farmers. Let's put our idiom into action. Here are a few sentences. After years of research, the scientist managed to lift the veil on the cause of the disease. The biography lifts the veil on the life of the famous actor. Can you lift the veil on how this magic trick is done? And that, dear viewers, is a wrap on Lift the Veil. I hope this video has enlightened you and added a charming new phrase to your English repertoire. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.